Okay, so I was just watching YouTube and look, a keyword ad popped up literally 5 minutes after I was looking at a keyword website. I was just watching a Danny Duncan video. Never gotten a keyword thing. I type it in, 5 minutes later, the first ad I get is a keyword thing. Please, FBI, stop stalking us. Hey guys, so in this next clip, I didn't really talk at all. We were taking pictures and there were a bunch of random people and yeah. What the heck? So aggressive. Chill. Sucking on her ear. Boy. I don't want it to bite my hand, dude. Let's freaking get it, dude. No! Freaking stop, dude! You're so... Hope you enjoyed that clip of me raging. So basically what happened was I was playing box fights on Fortnite, and I'm horrible at box fights. Well, not horrible, it's just all my friends are drastically better than me. Especially because one of them is literally just a creative warrior, so that's all he does. Well, I'm not... Am I from New York? It's a bird. How did it even get in here? Bye! Alright, nope. I'm done. I'm just gonna sit down. I'm just gonna place a mark. I'm done. I just walked out and it was just out there. Why is it out there? I don't understand. God, dude, quarantine things. It about just flew into my mom's hair. My mom, hates snakes and birds. That's it. Okay, so basically, this next clip lost its audio, so I'm gonna do a voiceover and reenact what the audio sounded like. Vroom.